Method of variation of parameters. Method of variation of parameters. Okay. You can see one question compulsory is there in the previous year question papers. So what I uploaded in the Teams or what I sent in the group, you can see question papers, one compulsory question on the concept variation of parameters. So this word itself says that variation of parameters. We are going to vary the parameters. Okay. We are going to vary the parameters. So I will explain you the method. So the given differential equation is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of x. Okay, f of d into y is equal to phi of x. Phi of x depends. So here, so next, what is since it is homogeneous and non-homogeneous?
Homogeneous.
Non-homogeneous.
Non-homogeneous differential equation. Then what is YC?
YC.
Sorry, what is Y? General solution?
YC plus YP.
YC plus
YC plus
YP.
YP.
YC plus YP. Okay, but here what we are going to do, we are not going to find YP. So YC itself we are considering it as a general solution, but we are doing the variation of parameters in that particular YC to make it as a general solution. How we can do it? So LHS is same as in case of the type 1, type 2, type 3. Here RHS depends. So it may be secant AX, it may be tan AX, it may be so like that. Other than the trigonometry function, what we have the standard forms in the type 1, type 2, type 3. Okay, so not all, here also there is some restrictions. Okay, right. So next I will explain you the method now. So what is YC in general? YC is equal to, suppose you have M is equal to M1 and M2 as a root. So two roots are real and distinct. Two roots are real and distinct. How you will write? So in generally we can take for M1 it will be C1 Y1. Y1 will be the solution. Y1 will be the solution for the first root plus C2 and Y2 will be the solution for the second root. Shall I write like this? Y1 is the solution for the first root and Y2 will be the solution of second root. Since Y1 and Y2 are two independent solutions for the given equation, then its linear combination is also a solution. Okay, linear combination means I consider C1 Y1 plus C2 Y2 will be the linear combination of the given function. So next step. So here we are going to vary the parameters. We are going to vary the parameters C1 and C2. So then it becomes YC is reduced to Y, YC is reduced to Y. When I am going to change the parameter C1 as A into Y1. Y1 is a function of X, Y1 of X you can take plus. So instead of C2, I am taking B into Y2. So actually this is a formula I am using. Okay, this is the main thing I am using to find the general solution. This is a general solution for the method of variation of parameters. Okay, our aim is to find the value for A and B. Find AB, then substitute AB. How to find AB? Here A and B are not constant. These are the functions of X and X only. So A is a function of X and B is also a function of X. A and B are not constants. Okay. So then how to find AB? So here in this method they clearly specified formula to find A and B. So not by directly they are giving the formula for A and B. They are given the formula for A dash and B dash. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. They are given the formula for A dash and B dash to find AB. They are not given the formula to find AB directly. What is the formula for A dash? A dash is minus Y2 into phi of X by W. I will tell you what is the W. Okay, minus Y2 into phi of X by W. B dash is Y1 into phi of X by W. Phi of X by W. So these are the two formulae we have to calculate A and B. You substitute all these values. Y of 2, y2 will be here. Y2 will be here. You substitute y2. Phi of x means Rx is for the given differential equation. W, to find W, there is a formula. W is equal to y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. This is a formula what we have to calculate W. You find W first, then go for A dash. A dash is minus y2, phi of x by W. Y2 will be here and phi of x will be here and W is here. Okay, substitute the value. After substituting, simplify. After simplification, anyhow we have A dash here. I want A. How to find A from A dash?
Differentiate.
What is A and A dash? What is A dash?
Differentiation of A.
Differentiation of A. I want A. What we can do to get A from A dash?
Integrate, ma'am.
Integration. That's it. So simplify A dash in the RHS. Now integrate on both sides to get A. Okay. So here also for B, substitute for y1. So substitute for phi of x and substitute for W. So then you simplify. You will get B dash, simplified form of B dash. Then you integrate. So integration of B dash will be B. So integrate RHS also. Then you will get the value for B. Substitute A and B here. That's it. That will be your solution. Clear? Is that method clear? So while solving the problem, you will get the more clarity on this.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, after solving A dash, we need to solve A, right, ma'am?
So A dash, you simplify A dash, then you integrate on both sides, you will get A.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, is there any clarification?
No, ma'am.
So I will solve one problem on this, then you will get the clarity. See here, solve. First problem, solve by the method of, you understand the concept means it is very easy, okay, but you have to understand it. Solve by the method of variation of parameters. Variation of parameters. Y double dash plus a square y is equal to secant ax. Okay, this is a problem what we have. Okay, please all of you concentrate here. First I will solve the problem. Solution. So it is a, don't worry about Cauchy's and Legendre's. So for that I thought of doing this after type 3 itself. Okay, don't bother about the Cauchy's and Legendre's. You come back to the types, type 1, type 2, type 3. In that way we have to solve it. Because the coefficients are constants. Coefficients of the derivatives are constants. Okay. How we can write this as y double dash d square by m?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it right? Plus a square y is equal to secant ax. Right? Next, what is the next step?
Take y
Take y
common, ma'am.
common.
Take y common. So d square plus a square into y is equal to secant ax. Is it possible to solve it by type 1?
No, ma'am.
No.
On type 2.
Is it not possible to solve it by type 1, type 2 or type 3?
Type
Okay.
3.
Type 3. We cannot solve by any of the 3 methods. Next. So it is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of x. Okay, now. So now since the method of variation of parameters we have, so we have to find out only yc. Okay, no need to find yp here. So next, to find yc, what we have to consider?
Auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary
Auxiliary
equation.
equation.
F of m is equal to 0. What is f of m?
M
X
square
square plus A square is
y
M
equal to
square
0.
plus a square is equal to 0.
equal to 0.
M square equal to what?
Minus
Plus
A
or
Minus
minus
A
square.
square. M square is equal to minus A square. M is equal to plus or minus square root of minus A square. That is M is equal to plus or minus AI.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
S. That can be written as M is equal to
0
0 plus
plus
or
or
minus
minus AI.
AI. Roots are?
Complex.
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 Then how to write YC? E to the power of
0
e to the
S.
power of 0x,
C1
c1 cos
cos
A
C1 into
plus C2 sin A.
A.
sin A.
Correct. Still you have to work out. You didn't become a perfect now. Huh? You should become a perfect by making more practice. Do more practice. Then you become perfect. So next we are going to write the general solution. YC is replaced by Y. So e power 0x is what?
1.
1. So now I am going to vary the parameter. Parameters here are C1 and C2 are the parameters what we have. Now I am going to vary it. C1 is replaced by A and C2 is replaced by B. Did you clear?
Yes.
So this will be our general solution. We should find A and B. And also it is of the standard form y is equal to AY1 plus BY2. Okay, BY2. You call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So comparing this, what is Y1?
Cos AX.
Cos AX.
Cos X,
Cos AX. What is Y2?
Sin AX.
sin
Sin
A.
AX.
Sin. So I want Y dash and Y1 dash and Y2 dash to find W. What is Y1 dash?
Minus A sin AX.
Minus
Minus A
sin
into sin AX. Differentiation. What is Y2 dash?
A cos AX.
A
A
cos
cos AX. A cos AX. Next. W. What is the formula to find W? What I said?
Y1,
Y2
Y2 dash
Y1
minus
dash
Y2,
dash minus
Y1
Y2
dash.
Y1 dash.
Y1 into Y2 dash.
Y2 dash minus
Minus
Y2
Y2
into
dash.
Y1
Y2
dash.
Y1 dash.
Okay. What is Y1?
Minus
Cos
Cos
AX.
X, cos X,
Cos AX. What is Y2 dash?
A cos AX.
Okay. Minus. What is Y2?
Sin AX.
sin X,
Sin. What is Y1 dash?
Minus A
minus A
sin AX.
sin X.
A sin AX. Now. So cos, you keep A outside. Cos AX into cos AX is?
cos square
Cos square AX. Square.
A
Cos
square.
square.
AX. So here we have minus. Minus into minus.
Plus.
Plus keep A outside. Sin AX into sin AX.
Sin square
Sin
A.
square AX.
Sin square
Sin
A,
square AX. Take A common. What we left with?
Cos square
Cos square AX plus sin square
sin
AX.
square
Plus sin square AX. What is cos square AX plus sin square AX?
1
1.
ma'am.
1.
1
Therefore, what is
into
W?
A ma'am.
A.
We got W as A.